Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn notifications on or off in the Likee application using your mobile device. Managing your app notification is important whether you want to stay updated with the latest content or avoid unnecessary alerts. This tutorial will help you set your preference right away. First, open up your Likee application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Next, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will open up your profile. From your profile section, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and tap on it. In the pop-up at the bottom, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Notifications under General and tap on it. Now from the Notifications tab, you will see different types of notifications such as match reminder, new follower, comments, likes, updates from Facebook friends and contacts, new posts, hashtags, etc. To turn notification on or off, just toggle the switch beside each option based on your preference. Go ahead and toggle off any notifications you don't want to receive. If you don't want to receive any kind of a notification, you can simply repeat the step and turn off all the notifications from this page. After you do that, you can also go to live notifications and turn that off. Make sure all of the notification options are turned on so that you don't receive any notification from the app. But if you ever wish to turn it on again, you can get back to this same page and turn on any notification you'd like to turn on again. Simply switch on the toggle button to turn on the notification type. And that's how you can easily turn on notification settings in the Likee application. If you found the video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more quick and clear tutorials. We make tech contents that's easy to follow and always up to date with app changes and safety tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.